Ladies and gentlemen, if I have your attention.
Well, first of all, I want to thank everybody for coming here today and helping us dedicate this facility. This is a far cry from the facility that they're moving out of. The facility they're moving out of was built in 1930. If I remember correctly, the donkey ties are still on the walls in there. So that shows you how far we've come. Gerald says this story all the time. When he came here to work in 1979, they told him not to get too comfortable over there, that he'd be moving out soon. Well, congratulations, Gerald, you'll be moving out soon.
Those of you in the main building over at the district, you may not interface a lot with the mechanics in the shop. At this time, I'd like you to meet who gets to come into this building. Gerald Smith, if you'll introduce your crew at this time.
Randy Triplets, the shop supervisor. Chuck Singleton. Elvin Mullins, we hired him earlier this year. He's an equipment mechanic for us. He'll be working on some of this stuff we'll have right here. Our small engine mechanic, Brian Holman, has been here for a lifetime. We know and understand what it costs for the bridge inspection and the Federal Bridge Inspection Group and those trucks. Now, as you can see with the new Stinger crane that we've got from Buchanan on Monday, that we can now get them in the building. The building that we were in, you either worked on the front of it or the back of it. You couldn't work on it all at the same time because it wouldn't fit in the garage.
You can just feel the love in Gerald's heart for you employees. In fact, how about the employees standing up, the ones that's going to be in the building here? The ones that's been told you're going to move over, that is. Let's not give a nice round of applause for these guys.
Took a lot of effort to put this in place from a lot of people, and it was a long time coming. The other building built in 1930. Jerry was telling me just a little while ago that his grandfather worked for the county in 1933 when the county's roadways became the State Road Commission. So that kind of puts that in perspective, doesn't it, Jerry? That's amazing. But I am absolutely proud to be here with you guys today, as I am with the entire organization, because Brandy mentioned some of the changes. The changes haven't started at the top. The changes started with you guys. All we had to do was to give you a little support, give you what you needed to work with.
All right, as you know, we have safety awards every year, and this year the Sign Shop won for 2018. Congratulations to you all. And we're going to call their names up. If they'll come up and get their jacket and shake the Commissioner's hand, we'd appreciate it. Manu Saidi. Scott Johnson.
Congratulations, Scott.
Thank you for all your hard work. Safe. Jennings Hinder.